Hello guys. Today, we are going to cover 5 best dryer balls in the market, which are the best for you considering some valid reasons that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Whitmor Dryer Balls. These Whitmor Dryer Balls are a great eco-friendly alternative to fabric softeners. Each set includes 4 dryer balls that are perfect for a large load. They are made of durable plastic and are designed to stay in your dryer for multiple loads. The dryer balls help reduce drying time by separating clothes and allowing air to circulate more freely. They also help reduce wrinkles and static cling. This set is perfect for those who want to reduce their environmental footprint by using fewer chemical softeners and fabric sheets. With the use of these dryer balls, you can have soft, smooth, and wrinkle-free clothes every time. Pros: reduce drying time by up to 25%. Chemical-free alternative to fabric softeners. Reusable and eco-friendly. Reduce static and wrinkles. Soften fabrics without leaving residue. Cons: not effective for all fabrics. May not be as effective as traditional fabric softeners. Can make some fabrics too soft or too stiff. Number 2. Our second best pick is Wool Dryer Balls by Friendsheep. The Wool Dryer Balls by Friendsheep 6-pack XL Organic Premium Reusable Cruelty-Free, Handmade Fair Trade No Lint Fabric Softener Starry are the perfect way to keep your clothes soft and cuddly. These wool dryer balls are made from organic and cruelty-free wool and are handmade and fair trade certified. They are designed to reduce drying time and decrease the amount of lint and static on your clothes. Plus, they are reusable and last for up to 1,000 loads, so you can get the most out of your purchase. They are also perfect for adding a bit of extra fluff to your laundry, and are a great eco-friendly and sustainable alternative to fabric softeners, making them an excellent choice for anyone looking to reduce their environmental impact. Pros: organic, cruelty-free, handmade, fair trade, no lint, fabric softener. Cons: may not be as effective as other dryer ball brands. Number 3. Our third best pick is Mcoes Dryer Balls. Looking for a safe, natural, and energy-saving fabric softener? Look no further than Mcoes Dryer Balls. Its 6-pack of XL Premium Natural Fabric Softener and AMP 100% Organic Premium New Zealand Wool Dryer Balls are the perfect choice. These dryer balls are crafted from natural materials to be gentle on fabrics and skin, as well as providing a safe and natural alternative to chemical-laden fabric softeners. These dryer balls are also anti-static and help to reduce drying time. They are reusable, saving you time and money. So if you're looking for a safe, natural, and energy-saving fabric softener, look no further than Mcoes Dryer Balls. Pros: 100% organic premium New Zealand wool. Baby safe. Anti-static. Save energy and time. Reusable dryer balls. Cons: may not be suitable for all types of fabric. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Feeling Fluffy Wool Dryer Balls. Introducing Feeling Fluffy's Wool Dryer Balls. These eco-friendly, 100% natural dryer balls are the perfect way to reduce drying time, save money, and make laundry day a breeze. The soft wool material is gentle on even the most sensitive skin, making them perfect for babies, as well as green moms who want to reduce their environmental impact. Our dryer balls are reusable for up to 1,000 loads and will help reduce static cling. With 6 dryer balls in a pack, you'll be able to reduce your drying time while saving money and energy. The perfect choice for busy families and eco-friendly households. Pros: reduce drying time. Reusable over 1,000 loads. Save money. 100% natural and organic. Eco-friendly. Safe for sensitive skin, babies, and green moms. Cons: not soft enough for some fabrics. Not effective in softening clothes. Not ideal for heavily soiled laundry. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Handmade Wool Dryer Balls. Keep your laundry fluffy and soft with Handmade Wool Dryer Balls. These dryer balls are made of 100% pure wool, providing an all-natural and eco-friendly alternative to fabric softener. The wool fibers create airflow in the dryer, fluffing up laundry and reducing drying time. These dryer balls are anti-static and lint-free, helping to remove pet hair from clothing and bedding. The balls also help to separate clothing, allowing for the hot air to travel more freely. Plus, they are perfect for Christmas gifts. Handmade Wool Dryer Balls are a great way to keep your laundry looking and feeling soft and fluffy. Pros: Handmade Wool Dryer Balls are anti-static, lint-free, and effective at removing pet hair. The organic fabric softener dryer sheets are an environmentally friendly alternative to traditional fabric softener. These dryer balls make a great Christmas gift for women. Cons: wool dryer balls may not work as well on higher heat settings. Dryer sheets may not be as effective at softening clothes as traditional fabric softener. Wool dryer balls may be too small for some loads of laundry. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Have a great day.